Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we are going to be drawing Angry Birds. I know I told you we were going to draw a person under the umbrella. I hope you guys didn't get too excited about that, but unfortunately we can't do that. So we're going to be drawing Angry Birds instead. The head of the Angry Birds dude. I think his name is I don't know, the red one. I don't know, the red one. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with a little triangle, just like that. Okay, and then we're gonna make kind of a smaller one underneath. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take and put little eyes there, right there, and then you're gonna take and you're gonna put mad lines there. And you're gonna make those a bit thick, because he's an Angry Bird. Good. And so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make about 3 spikes, and then you're gonna go around like that, and then make a little line through like that, and you can color those in. I know this isn't the best Angry Bird that you've probably ever seen, but I'm trying my best. So I'm gonna name that Angry Bird. And yeah, and you can color this in however you want. So if you were watching the steps correctly, your Angry Bird should have turned out something like that. Maybe a little better than mine. Okay, and that is my Angry Bird. So I hope you guys liked it. I'm trying not to waste paper. But try not to waste paper. That's my advice for you for today. Try not to waste paper. Really try. Alright, well, that is all my advice for you today and my drawing. So this took under 3 minutes. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. That's it for today. I will draw something else tomorrow. Okay, see you guys. Bye.